Hello friends, welcome to another video. So let's quickly look at the analysis of Nifty Plus. We'll be looking at the possible entry and trade setups for tomorrow in the particular stocks. As you can see, we have been making new structure highs from here. As you can see, this was the previous high on a bit higher time frame, and since then we have made this particular swing. And as I have already shared in my previous videos, which you can watch onto the channel, they are already uploaded there. We were expecting a pullback like this. We already have got one and we were expecting another. I have just compared this to previous price action which did happen sometime back, which is here. So it is somewhat replicating same kind of scenario. It is not mandatory that exactly same thing will be happening over and over again. But yes, the people trading and the psychology behind is somewhat same exactly. So this is what we are looking at. The positive bias is still intact, so we'll be looking for long positions into Nifty. And if you see, this is already making some. You can see it is making swings like this in the 3 minute time frame. These are the very minute swings and will be appropriate for day trading. And if you go to a 15-minute chart or maybe 30-minute chart, you can clearly see this was the previous structure and Nifty was able to break it in later half of the day. So what we'll be expecting tomorrow will be a pullback, and it should be coming somewhere around this area, which was a sell area. This was a selling candle in 15-minute chart, and if the price movement comes back retracing somewhere around here and gives momentum which is very less on the seller side, then we can be opening a long position here. So this should be our area of interest, somewhere around 17470 to 17500, a rough area which should be on our key point. So uh, needless to say that we are still not looking for short positions in index, and once this momentum fizzles out and we are having a topping pattern and or something like this, we start making new lows, then only we'll be getting interested in the short side of the market. Till then we'll be looking for positions to the long side. In case market is gapping down and slowing down in this selected area, and this is our first lookout area for getting into long positions. This area can also be looked for positions entering into long positions, because if it comes and retraces into this area, which is obviously support resistance, you know, coinciding in this particular area. This is on a 3 minute chart, and if it is providing a good risk to reward, we can also open a long position on a 3 minute as well. It will be just a scalping trade, and we can look for targets around 17,576. So these are the two possibilities. If the momentum of swings going down is big, then we'll be looking for opening a long position here. And if it slows down while going lower, then we can open only if there is confirmation bias. If it starts making new highs in the lower time frame, then we can maybe look for opening long position in this area as well. So these are the two aspects. For shorting the market, I don't see any pattern here. Until and unless there is a pattern which is making lower lows, then only we will be opening a long position. Sorry, short position. So let's quickly look at the stocks for tomorrow. On a 15-minute time frame, PSU stocks are making a buzz. So this is our remarkable swing, and if we open long position around this area, 254.3, SL will be 250.5, and possible target will be 263. One more point, I was just emphasizing, whenever you open around 61.8 retracement and close it around target of 127 extension, then you are bound to have a risk reward of more than 2 or 2.5. So this is way better for the strategies or trading systems which are showing 1 to 1 risk reward. So If you are having couple of or two three trades in a negative territory or getting a loss, then only one trade will be required to settle you to the positive side. So this is the bright side of the system which we are using. It needs patience. It is not mandatory that you will be getting each and every trade on the positive side, or you will be losing none of the trade. It is not having a 100% win rate. None of the system is having a win rate of 100%. It's just hooks which is being getting spread. Okay, so looking to Bank of Baroda, this is the workable thing. Entry around 139, SL of 137.5, target of 143. So when we analyze these stocks, you have a responsibility to further look at the lower time frame analysis of these things. This is not mandatory that whatever we are expecting just by looking at the closing price, end of the day price section, it will be giving a good entry. This is not possibility. Tomorrow, suppose if price opens and gives a very wide, black candle or a red candle, then you are not getting into this trade. That is not, mandatory that you should be getting into this long trade. The premise on which we are going to open a long trade is not fulfilled. If there is a momentum to the downside, we stay back. So this is something you need to analyze after opening of the market. L&T Finance Holding, this has made a new high, so we expect a pullback. Entry around 78.5 or 55, SL of 78, target of 80. ABFRL. Okay, ABFRL is giving two good setups on a 15-minute and a 3-minute as well. As you can see, this has made a new structure high over here. Deep pullback, and after giving a deep pullback, it is making a good structure on 3-minute chart as well. As you can see, this new lower high was broken here onto here. So we plot a new Fibonacci tool on 3-minute chart. Our entry will be on 3-minute lower time frame to be precise, by around 331.55, SL of 329.8, and first target of 3-minute will be 335.5, and the bigger target for 15-minute will be 343. So what we can do, we can book partial profits over here, and if the momentum is getting very much healthy to the upside, we can keep rolling the remaining position to get a bigger target over here. So in case you get this fulfilled, then you should ideally get a risk reward of 2.33 on a 3-minute, and if it gathers momentum to upside, you'll be getting close to 7-hour trade on 15-minute time frame. So this is not going to be a trade that it will straight away go and hit that upper target. No, it's not possible. It will make some swings in between as well. So if you have guts and if you have the patience to keep the open trade open till it hits this area, and you keep on either trailing the SL like this, then only you will be getting the bigger target. So there is no point thinking that it will be a straight away bump to the upside and hitting the target of 343. So you just need to analyze and comprehend the logic of these things as the price action unfolds. Okay guys, this is all for the current video. If you have anything to comment or provide any feedback, please post in the comment section. I'll be replying it back. Please do subscribe the channel, and if you have not hit the bell icon, please do that so that you can be notified for every content which is posted. Till then, thank you very much.